In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted board in Trello. We'll start right from the Trello homepage. Make sure you're signed in, then navigate to Trello.com. From the top navigation, open Boards. This brings up all the boards you can access across your workspaces. Find the board you want to work with and open it. In my example, I'm using a sample board, so you can see the full flow from a normal working board to a closed one and then back again. Before we close the board, I'll quickly tidy up a few cards so the example is clear. I'll grab a card like Studying Math and drag it over to the Done list. I'll do the same for Studying Science, and then I'll move Laundry to Done as well. Drag and drop is exactly how you move cards between lists in Trello, and it's a handy way to confirm that everything is where you want it before you close a board. Now let's close the board. Look for the three-dot menu on the board page. Open that menu, then choose Close Board. Trello will ask you to confirm. Click Close to proceed. A quick note on what just happened. Closing a board archives it. It's not permanently deleted, which means you can still bring it back. This is perfect for boards you don't need right now but might want later. Deleting, on the other hand, is permanent. We're not doing that. After closing, head back to the main Trello area. You can click the Trello logo to return home. From there, open the workspace where that board lived. If you're in multiple workspaces, be sure to pick the correct one so you can see its closed boards. Once you're inside the workspace, go to the Boards section. Scroll until you find the option labeled View Closed Boards and click it. This page lists every board that has been closed in this workspace, which is exactly where our archived board now sits. Locate the board you just closed. You can click into it to preview details if needed, then go back to the closed boards list. On this list, you'll notice two actions available next to each closed board: delete and reopen. Keep in mind that delete removes the board permanently and can't be undone. Since our goal is to restore the board, we won't use delete. Instead, click reopen. Depending on your view, Trello may bring you back to the workspace home or show a confirmation step. If you're prompted with a Reopen Board button, click that to finalize the restoration. Trello will place the board back into the workspace's active boards, just like it was before you closed it. Now return to the workspace and open the board to confirm it's back. You should see your lists and cards, including the ones we moved to Done earlier. This is a good time to verify permissions and memberships if the board is shared with others, because reopening puts it back in circulation for collaborators. A few helpful tips while you're here. If you don't see View Closed Boards, you might be looking at the wrong workspace, or you may not have permission to view closed boards there. Switch workspaces or check with an admin if needed. If you have a lot of closed boards, use Search to narrow down the list by board name. Also, consider closing a board instead of deleting it unless you're absolutely certain you'll never need it again. Closing is safe and reversible. Deleting is final. And that's it. You learned how to go from an active board, close it, find it under Closed Boards, and then bring it back by reopening. Your board and all of its cards are restored and ready to use.